Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Coco and John, and today we are going to make mango
Sago pudding.
So let's begin.
Let me show you the ingredients for this. So I have taken this soaked sago, also known as sabudana, which I have boiled, adding some sugar and a pinch of food color, and now this becomes like this. Now I have this mango pulp, few mango pieces, coconut milk. This is evaporated milk. I've used some regular milk, added some sugar and boiled it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Some desiccated coconut and chia seeds. So let's start with making our mango milk mix. Now goes in coconut milk into this. And now goes in our evaporated milk. We will be churning all this in the mixer. So this is the mango milk mixture which is ready, and now goes in our sago into this. Sago has a sticky consistency, so it will be sticky, but don't worry. We just mix it gently, and this will break and eventually spread across. Now goes in our desiccated coconut into this. Coconut gives a very enhanced flavor in this recipe. So now you can see that the lumps of the sago are more or less gone and it's pretty even now. So let's begin with the assembling process.
Now we will
Assemble our mango sago pudding. So first goes in layer of mango puree. Now let's add our mango sago milk into this. I'll be just topping it a little bit of chia seeds into this. As we all know, chia seeds is very healthy, so I'm just trying to incorporate this into this pudding. Now we will just garnish it with some mangoes. These are normal jelly crystals which I have set, and this is of grapefruit flavor. And our mango sago pudding is ready. Now this pudding goes in refrigerator and we will take it out after 1 hour. So friends, as you all can see, our mango sago pudding is chilled and out of the refrigerator, and I have also poured in this dessert into these short glasses. So this is a very famous Cantonese dessert which is famous across Southeast Asian countries. And you all would have tried a variety of mango recipes like mango faluda, mango firni. This is definitely a unique recipe and is going to enhance your taste bud this mango season. So, Coco, you want to eat this pudding and give it a try? How is the pudding?
nice, Mama. This is so yummy and delicious. And friends, can you please try this pudding, and can you please subscribe to my channel Coco and Mom.
Okay, bye. Happy eating.